Um, I don't know what it is yet, but we're gonna look. There's a. Oh, I see what it is. This fella. Put it in park here. Fella driving along in his truck. I don't know if y'all can see that. I guess you can. He's got a camper shell. Well, there's a camper shell being got by another guy right now. See it? That's probably 60-mile-an-hour gust. Knocked that right off. People are having to go and get slow. We're dragging it. I got trouble. Sorry, honey. Last car. They're dragging it and trying to put it back in the truck. If y'all can hear me, what I was saying was driving along, hauling a little shit in the back of his truck, 60-mile-an-hour gust, whoop, off comes the cab, not the cab, what do we call that? Y'all know what I'm talking about, a little thing on the back. Anyway, a lot of shit, brother. Sucks to be you, brother. Sucks to be you. Guy has a camper shell on his little pickup there, right? And he's rolling along. They were hauling a door, apparently. This man has to stand on the door to keep it from blowing away. Well, the camper shell on the truck got a little wind under it. Poof! There it went. I would get out and help him, y'all. But he's got 4 people helping him right now. And I'm not inclined to get run over. I just shoot the stuff. He's become a curiosity now. People will slow down. Alright. Little blow by blow for you guys. See that fella? This is West Texas. This is great stuff. We all know the drill. He's got his pickup parked in front of this guy's. I think he's going to pick up the fella's camper shell and put it in the back of his. And people here are awesome, y'all. People here are awesome. Well, I'm going to work. They're cool. Wind's still blowing hard and they're still going to take care of it. We usually don't get this stuff till middle of March, and it lasts until September. See that up there in the sky, y'all? Not clouds. Not clouds. Dirt. Dirt, 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 dirt. Yummy, yummy. Great flavor, West Texas dirt. Look at my car. I just washed it. When it rains mud and you have a white car, you cannot be happy about that. Welcome to West Texas.